Yo, what's going on? Sniper Doofus back with another video, another weekly recap. Just a disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor, so just trade at your own risk. And what I do in this series is I just talk about the trades I took, some mistakes I did, and like trades I missed. So this week the market was pretty choppy. It was ranging for most of it. And so I didn't really take too many trades. I took 2 positions on Euro USD, which I'll show just on the screen, and then yeah, so I also have an announcement. I am going to start my $50 to $1,000 challenge, see how that goes, and I'm just going to start making videos on that. So let's just get into my positions. Okay, so heading into my first position, it was a buy on Euro USD. Now let me just tell you what I was saying. So it was in this downtrend, and then a break structure over here by breaking this downtrend, and it starts going up. So here I'm saying that it's kind of changed its its bias from downtrend, or I've changed my bias from this market going down to it now going up. And then so here I can see that it was from down to here up to here. So I just input the fib just to see what was going on. So I input the fib, and then I saw that so I just marked up some key levels. So I marked this one up here on this 0.61, but there is another one at this 0.78 here. We can see that it's support and support here, and then we can also see it's resistance here and here, and if you just drag it along, it's also resistance here. So there we can see that there's another key level which I didn't actually spot at the time. Now you see why this could have been good shortly. I also used a new phone which had a bigger lot size like on it by default, so I wanted to get out of this trade early but at least in profit. So let's see how it went. So here we can see that I ended up closing just there shortly, and then straight away went into huge drawdown, but that drawdown we can see and finishes right at this 0.786. So we can see that if I had actually seen this level and marked it up, that there could have been an amazing entry, because if we had entered there, it would have been literally zero drawdown, and then it would have just gone straight up, and then you know, I could have closed it at least all the way there in profit, or even halfway there. Just anything that's a nice chunk change, you know. So heading into my second position, it was a sell. Now we can see that I was in a buy here, and now it's kind of like this market here was extremely choppy this week, and I should have simply just waited and kind of taken my time, but I didn't, and I rushed into this position, and let me just tell you why. So the reason why I entered in on this position is, so I saw it go down into this like little downtrend here, or into this sell-off, and so I entered in this fib chart from this high down to this low, and I can see that at this 0.5 level here, that's where there's a key level, and then also we can see that this 0.61 level kind of lines up with this 0.78, so there's another key level. So there was actually a double key level here and here. So even if it was to go up to here, then in my head I just assumed that it would start to go down. So we can actually see, if we head onto the charts, when I entered in, it kind of dropped down initially. How many pips is that? Around 24 pips, and then it kind of was just hovering around there, and then we can see it came back up to the second key level, which would have been on the 0.78. We can see it does reject it once, twice, but then it breaks above, and now it's continuing this uptrend. But if we just zoom out, sorry for the ads, I'm just a broke 18-year-old, we can just see that it's kind of just ranging in here sideways, and so therefore I shouldn't have really taken a trade on this market. So there, that's a mistake I made, and then we can just see that here I did close it at this loss. So heading into the next week, we're just going to be looking to take more trades, and kind of just stay more active in the markets, taking better trades, and just being more aware. And because we are doing the $50 to $1,000 challenge, I'm about to announce that in my next video, we're just going to have to be a lot more wary in the markets, a bit more responsible, and have a bit better entry and exit strategies and kind of just refine my mentality, as we are going to be risking a larger percent of that account size. So guys, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope to see you in the next one with my $50 to $1,000 challenge. See ya.